Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about bad spark plug. A faulty spark plug can rob your car of performance and fuel economy. They are the workhorse of the combustion process. They're basically there to ignite the compressed air fuel mixture. They will do this by simply providing strong spark at this tip. When you look at how it is constructed, this is the center electrode. It has a metal that goes through the entire length and comes out right here. And this right here is the ground electrode. And it is attached to this metal housing of the spark plug. And it will be connected to the engine by this bolt. And you have right here a ceramic insulation preventing the center electrode from touching the body or the ground. Now the idea is when spark is produced, there is a high voltage surge that will be coming through the center electrode, and it will tend to jump from the center electrode to the ground electrode, and in doing so, electric spark or arcing will be produced. As the electrons tend to jump from one terminal to the other, they will get burning inside those resistance, and that can produce an electric spark. That spark is used to initiate a chemical combustion, a very fast exothermic chemical reaction. That is where fuel is combusted. Fuel will mix with oxygen to generate massive amount of pressure and heat inside the combustion chamber. Now, that is why these spark plugs are very crucial. When they go bad, engine performance will drop significantly. What are some of the warning signs of bad spark plug? Well, the number one symptom is where you have rough idle. Your car will shake, it will start to vibrate or shudder while stopped at red light. On idling, it will act abnormal. The engine is misfiring because the spark isn't consistent enough to burn the fuel smoothly at low RPM. So if you have rough idle, that could be caused by faulty spark plug. One spark plug or multiple spark plug could be going wrong, but if you have faulty spark plug, that can cause rough idle. Engine misfire is another symptom of bad spark plug. A sudden sharp jerk or loss of power, often accompanied by flashing check engine light, is an indication of bad spark plug. If the fuel in one of the cylinders isn't igniting at all, it will cause a dead cylinder, and that can cause engine misfire. So if the spark plug is not firing properly, if there is some leak of spark, or if it is full and not providing strong spark, that cylinder will not be combusting, and that can cause engine misfire. That is another indication. Hard starting is another symptom of bad spark plug. Starting requires strong spark. Starting requires good fuel mixing, and the engine cranks for a long time before finally catching and turning over. That could be an indication of a faulty spark plug. Worn electrodes require more voltage. If there is a problem with the gap, if the electrodes are worn out, that will require more voltage to produce a strong spark. And when cranking, the starter motor is receiving massive amount of electricity from the battery, so the ignition will not be strong enough to ignite. That can lead to hard starting. Poor acceleration is another symptom of a faulty spark plug. When you press the gas pedal but the car feels sluggish, or if it hesitates, that is an indication of a faulty spark plug. If the spark is weak, so the fuel burn inefficiently, and this will produce less power. So the result is you have poor acceleration. Rough or surging shifting is another indication of a problematic spark plug. In automatic cars, the transmission shifts harshly, or it might seem confused if the spark plug is not functioning properly. A misfired engine changes RPM unpredictably, which can confuse the transmission shift point. So that is another indication of a bad spark plug. Increased fuel consumption can also result if the spark plug is not igniting properly. You are visiting the gas station much more often than usual. This is basically because when there is no combustion, fuel is getting wasted, and the engine computer detects the misfire, and it can dump extra fuel into cylinders to try to compensate that wasting of fuel. That will increase your fuel consumption. And the other indication is on modern vehicles, you might have a check engine light illuminated on your dashboard. The dashboard warning light will illuminate. Usually it will flash if the oxygen sensor detects unburned fuel as a result of a faulty spark plug or engine misfire. That can trigger error code. It could be triggering error code like P0300, which is random misfire, or it could be triggering from P0301 to P0308, which is a specific cylinder misfire codes. So engine misfire can lead to check engine light illumination. These are some of the top symptoms indicating a problematic spark plug. Now, how can you read clues if that indicates your spark plug is going bad? If a mechanic pulls your spark plug out, they can simply diagnose your engine by just looking at the spark plug tips. If you have a normal tan or gray spark plug tip with dry surface, that is a normal spark plug. If the electrode is light brown or grayish color, this is perfect. Your engine is burning fuel efficiently. That is one indication. But if you find black smoke, if it is sooty, but if it is still dry, the tip is covered in black, dry carbon. This indicates the engine is running too rich. If there is too much fuel, that will produce too much carbon, and you will be having black or sooty spark plug tip, possibly due to a dirty air filter or bad oxygen sensor, or simply a plug that has gotten too cold for the engine to ignite. So that can cause carbon deposit on the spark plug. Sometimes you might find the tip to be wet, oily. If the tip is black and wet with engine oil, this is bad news. It usually means that you have worn piston rings that are passing engine oil to the combustion chamber, or you might be having worn valve seals that are letting oil to leak into the combustion chamber. So if you find wet surface right here, if it is oily, that is not a good news. If you have white and blistered appearance, if the tip looks white, if it is melted, or it has little bubbles on it, this means the engine is running too lean. Too much air is there, not enough fuel is there, or the engine is overheating. This is an indication. It can be caused by a vacuum leak or bad fuel pump that is not pushing enough fuel, or it can be by using wrong heat range spark plug. And sometimes you might find the electrodes to be burned, melted, corroded electrode. If the center electrode is rounded off or heavily pitted, this is simply an indication of age, excessive mileage on the spark plug. The metal has literally worn away from millions of spark. Every time it sparks, it's getting burned out, so that will erode the electrode. So these are things that you can read from a removed spark plug. Now, why do spark plugs fail? This is also an issue to be addressed. Under normal condition, this type of spark plugs can last thousands of miles, for example, 30,000 miles. And some special spark plugs like iridium and platinum spark plugs can even last twice of that, 60,000 miles to 100,000 miles. If they fail early, it usually indicates very serious problem inside the cylinder. For example, it could be caused by oil leak. If your valve or valve gasket is leaking, if oil is dripping into the spark plug walls, this faults the spark plug and it can cause misfire long before they wear out naturally. And the other things that can accelerate spark plug damage is carbon buildup. Frequent short trips where the engine is not fully warmed up to burn off any carbon soot prevents the plugs from reaching self-cleaning temperature and allow carbon to build up. This short circuits the spark plug and it can shorten the life of the spark plug. The other thing that is damaging to the spark plug is overheating. A failing cooling system like a bad thermostat can cause the engine to run extremely hot, literally melting the tips of the electrode. Melting these tips and causing the spark plug to have short life. Incorrect gap adjustment is another problem. See, there is a gap between the center electrode and the ground electrode. If the gap is not correctly adjusted, that can cause the spark to be weak. This happens naturally over time as the metal wear out. So you have to somehow adjust the tip by simply, if it is wide, you have to tap on the ground electrode to make it a little narrower. If it is worn out, that is how you can adjust. So if there is incorrect gap, that can also increase wear of the spark plug. So these are some of the things that can cause the spark plug to fail prematurely. So always make sure that the spark plug gap is well maintained and make sure that you are using the right plug for your engine. Always use the exact brand, material and heat range recommended on your owner's manual. So the bottom line is spark plugs are cheap and easy to replace, but an engine rebuild or a new catalytic converter is incredibly expensive. So Go ahead and check the status of your spark plug. If your car is displaying these symptoms, replacing the spark plug is one of the best and cheapest tune-up you can give your vehicle. It's a very easy task. You can remove this with the spark plug wrench and you can install it yourself. A very easy tune-up that will avoid lots of problem and costly repair down the line. So these are all you need to know about the spark plug. If you find this video helpful and if you enjoy what has been presented, please don't forget to smash the like button. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.